Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to multiply three fractions. And we have two examples that we're going to go through together in order to get this down. So let's jump right into number one, where we have 6/11 times 22/9 times 3/4. So when it comes to multiplying three fractions, in my opinion the best way to do these problems is to use cancellation, because that's going to make the problem a lot simpler and easier to work through. So, for the first example, we are going to use cancellation. If we don't use cancellation, we have to do 6 times 22 times 3, and we will get a very large number which we have to simplify, and that's just going to take too long and it's going to get too difficult when it doesn't have to be this difficult. So we're going to use cancellation for this one. So we can cancel 11 and 22. So 11 and 22 have a common factor of 11. This will turn the 11 into a 1 and the 22 into a 2, because 11 divided by 11 equals 1 and 22 divided by 22 equals 2. So I'm gonna take these away and replace the numbers. So 11 will be 1 and 22 will be 2. So now we have 6 and 9. 6 and 9 both have a common factor of 3, both divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So, as you guys can see, we already made it a lot simpler. Now, we are left with this. We can also cancel the two 3's over here. Of course, they have a common factor of 3. They both will be 1 at this point, because if we do 3 divided by 3, it will turn into a 1. So now we are left with this as our final fractions we can multiply. So now we have this, we're just going to multiply from the left to the right, straight across to the right, and as our final answer we will get 2 times 2 equals 4 times 1 still equals 4, and 1 times 1 equals 1 times 4 equals 4. So we have 4/4. Or if we simplify this, it will just be a 1. So 1 will be our final simplified answer. So for the second one, I'm gonna write all of it out so you guys can understand it better. So we have 8/15 times 5/12 times 9/10. So again, we're gonna use cancellation. So let's start with 5 and 15. So 5 and 15, or 15 and 5, both have a common factor of 5. So we're going to divide them both by 5. 15 divided by 5 will equal 5. And 5 divided by 5 will equal 1. So now we have done these two, we can go to the 8 and the 12. 8 and 12 have a common factor of 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. Wait. Oh, my bad, guys. I just saw a little mistake I made. 15 divided by 5, of course, isn't 5. It's 3. My bad, guys. Yes, my bad. So, just forget all of that happened. So let's go over to the 8 and 12. 8 and 12 have a common factor of um of 3. Of 4, I mean. So, we're going to divide these two by 4. So 8 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 will be 2. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So this will be our final fractions of the first two, 2/3 and 1/3. So now we're going to go over to the 9 and the 10. So we're going to write this next to our fractions we have made here, and we can continue with using cancellation. But with the new fractions we have made, we can cancel these two, 3 and 9, for example. So 3 and 9 both have a common factor of 3. So we're gonna divide these two by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3, like this. So these will be our final three fractions, what we are going to um, multiply with each other to get to our final answer. Okay, guys, I made a little mistake, but I fixed it, so don't worry about it. We will still get to the correct answer. So we are left with this. Now we can just start multiplying. So 2 times 1 equals 1 times 3, 2 times 1 equals 2, times 3 equals 5. Or what we can do is we can cancel these two once again. So we just can get rid of these two, because 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So we can just do like this. Here we get a 10, and this one can just go away. So we are left with this as our final multiplication. We have 2 times 1 equals 2, and 3 times 10 equals 30. Now we can simplify this fraction by dividing it by 2, so we get 1/15. So this will be our final simplified answer of the second example. This video was a bit hectic, guys. Don't mind the video being a bit hectic. I just started making videos. So I hope you guys still enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments if you have any. And this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.